Okay, these girls is sitting outside. It was about 20 degrees C today. I put on a super. This colony is massively. There's a ton of bees inside. Now they are all sitting outside. A couple of them cleaning up. Let's see in a week or two, because today is the 6th of August 2024. The honey flow is starting now, so we'll see, because the bees is flying in and out during the day. Middays it's kind of hot. The next 4 days they predict 20 degrees Celsius and more during the day, middays. So hopefully the bees will fill up, start building honeycomb in the super. I replaced a bad brood flame that was old. I took one out and put in a new one. Let's see in a week or two's time where we are with these lot, because this is the colony number 2, the one that I last year October I rescued them. Their whole honey box, their whole brood box was collapsing, so I pulled them over into this newer, stronger brood box, and from a dwindling, very weak colony, they are very, very strong now. So let's see. This season starting very well. Honey flow is on its beginning. It's beginning of the Port Jacsons bloom. Just after that, the bluegums will start blooming. So we'll see. Maybe we will have a bumper crop this year. Let's see. As usual, subscribe and like, and keep watching for updates. Thanks.